side. Bless me, Lord, every day, every day, every day, every day. Guide my steps in every way, everywhere, 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 everywhere. You're on my side, on my side. You're on my side, you're on my side. Every day, on my side, on my every day, on my side, on my side. When the road is long and my strength is low, you remind my heart I'm not alone. Through the storms and through the rain, your faithful love still calls my name. You go before me, you stay behind. Your mighty hand is over my life. I lift my voice, I testify. My hope is strong, my God is alive. Hey. Bless me, Lord, every day.
Mazita is also crying for subscribers, guys. This is the truth.
Guys,
No chokwadi.
I am feeling so happy. Guess what? Nanganripa 4 subscribers. Now number 6.
Wow! That's good news. That's good news. That's good news.
We are saying road towards 50.
And guess what? I've got
Yes.
good news. On my YouTube channel, I got a message saying more people are liking your videos.
Wow! That's nice. That's nice.
Power, pressure, and the courage. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Go well. Take to Maccabi.